Alam mo ba na may mas murang para makapagkape?
Oh, talaga?
Yes, for only 22 pesos.
Wow!
Alright.
Saan yan?
How much do you usually spend for a cup of coffee? Alamin natin.
Hello!
Hi!
Nagkakape ka?
Yes.
How much do you usually spend for your coffee?
For serving, mga 180 to 200.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello! Pwede ba tanong? Nagkakape ka?
Yes!
How much do you usually spend for your coffee?
Gusto mo? Mga 150 to 200.
Alright. Thank you. Pwede ba tanong? Nagkakape ka?
Oo naman.
How much do you usually spend for a coffee?
Siguro mga 180 to 200.
Alright. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello po. Nagkakape po kayo?
Yes!
How much do you usually spend for a coffee?
Di masyado. Hindi ako fan sa mga mga malalaking coffee, Pero, paminsan-minsan siguro, mga around 100, 120.
Alright, salamat po.
Thank you.
Hello, pwede magtanong? Nagkakape ka? How much do you usually spend for your coffee?
120.
Thank you. Hello, nagkakape po kayo?
Yes, nagkakape ako.
How much do you usually spend for a coffee?
Usually siguro mga nasa 200. Gano'n.
Alright, salamat po. Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Nagkakape ka?
Yes!
How much do you usually spend for your coffee?
Around 200 pesos.
Alam mo ba na may mas murang para makapagkape?
Oh, talaga?
Yes, for only 22 pesos.
Wow!
Alright.
Saan yan?
Sa Unit 5, Homebrewed Coffee. For only 22 pesos, you will enjoy good and aromatic coffee, easy brew, anytime, anywhere. We also offer a pack of 5 and 10, which is perfect for gift, giveaways, or even for personal indulgence. You can choose from 11 flavors that will suit your mood and taste. For Metro Manila, we offer same-day delivery via Lalamove, Grab Express, or Joyride. For provincial area, we ship through JNT Express for affordable shipping rates. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Order na!